Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here, back from vacation here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the Grok Star Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Here's a trade that we had right out of the chute this morning on ADSK, Autodesk. This is the 1 minute chart. Here's what it looked like at 4 o'clock yesterday. They announced earnings and they were disappointing on their estimates, as well as got a downgrade. So they closed at 35.71, and here's what it looked like after opening. Kabam! Look at that, all the way down there at 27.97. That is a 21.6% drop at opening. But what you don't see here is what happened during pre-market is that it was actually rising in pre-market, and I had traded it long. So let's see what happened next. It just broke through this $28 mark, and it was forming, also based on what was in pre-market, a high base breakout. If you want to know what that is, you can go to our freeonlinetradingeducation.com site, to our free chart school. Look for high base breakout. Here's a definition of it, and then here is a picture of it, where we had a run up. Now this wasn't pre-market, you can't see that, and it broke this $28 line and was going sideways. This is a bullish formation that if it breaks out, it should go up higher. So I had set a trade here, and the folks in the room said, get ready, if this breaks higher, we want to be in. The $28 line is holding as support. And boom, there we go. I'm in at $28.10. I am long. Let's see what happened next. Going up nice. Oh, boom, look at that, up to $29. And then it started to pull back. Now it's starting to use this as support. And another high base is forming here. And I told people in the room there's a possibility for a second entry if this does pull back and take off again. I did take out half here at 29.05. That was for 3.3%. And let's see how it can pull us back down and see what happened next. Boom, there we go. So you could say this was either a high base breakout or a little bit of a bull pullback to the $29 mark and took off again. Some people entered the trade at that point. And boom, and this is the 8 EMA, exponential moving average, pulling down, and it hit it, pulled back hard. And now this is forming a bull pullback. See how that is? And bam, it took off. It broke the 8 EMA, and now it's above it. It's taking off. So boom, look at that. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that huge spike in 1 minute. Went up, tagged the $31 mark. So I pulled my stop up here, and then it was pulling back, and it stopped me out here at $30.50 for 8.5% on the second half. So this trade then was from here, half out here and the other half out here, was for 5.9% in 16 minutes. Ooh-ah. We did continue to trade it later. As you can see, it started to run up again, and this $31 mark was a line of resistance. Well, these are the kind of trades that we're doing in the Grok Star room, and you're welcome to join us 30 days for free. You don't even need a credit card. Just come to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to the chat room page, and down below you can sign up for that 30-day free trial. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffron, back from vacation, and just here to remind you that we trade what we see, not what we think.